Probably with writing is knowing that I don't have that expertise. So whenever I would prove their work, I didn't feel that my input was necessarily professional.
Well, the number one goal we have is to support parents on this journey of homeschooling by offering a product that makes their life easier and brings more success to their student when it comes to writing.
I bought Essentials in Writing this year, and the reason that I picked it was because it was simple and because I felt like both Abigail and I could move through the lessons in small chunks. It was not overwhelming.
Just from the very beginning, one of the first lessons is for him to write a paragraph and do the time capsule and bury it in our backyard. And I think from that moment, just got him excited about writing. It was like, wow, is this gonna be really different than the stuff that I've had in the past? Like, we get to start with something really fun. The structure is very simple. He just goes to our laptop, plugs in his headphones, watches the video if it's video day, and then does his workbook. And then I grade his paper and we go over it together. If there's any, maybe any mistakes, we go over it together, and that's it.
Well, it's easy format, so it just gives me a lot of sense. I really like how, you're gonna draft it and then the next day you're gonna edit and publish it, and then, or do you revise before you edit and publish it? And then it's the finished product. It's not overwhelming with all that work on one day, so I like this, how it's spread out.
You just order it, get it in the mail. I think I probably spent maybe 15 minutes one night just going over it and familiarizing myself with it, and that's about it.
What is the end result that you're trying to accomplish with your child? Do you want them to be able to write well and to be able to go to college and write an essay for a political science class? Then we're what you need.
He's an excellent writer. The other day I came downstairs and he was on the computer and he was writing a play.
And so it was the perfect blend.
Be prepared to click the order button. I mean, it's really that simple.